So far we have learnt 2 questions. What is your name? Comment vous vous appelez? And your nationality. Where are you from? The next question we are going to learn is Tu habites où? Where do you live? Tu habites où? You see this word O-U with an accent. It means where. It is a question word. Tu habites où? So here we have a small conversation. Amparo asks A. Tu habites où? Where do you live? Where do you live? Tu habites où? Luigi says at Digne. At Digne. Amparo asks sais tu? Where is it? Sais tu? It is where? Luigi replies en Provence. En Provence. So the next thing we are going to learn is the use of these words. A Digne, en Provence. Where to use a and where to use en. So as we can see, these are the words used in front of the names of places, either city or a country. So let us go through this conversation once again. So Amparo asks A. Tu habites où? Where do you live? He says à Digne. At Digne. Amparo says sais tu? Where is it? And he replies it is en Provence. En Provence. So now, as I told you, we are going to learn the use of a and en. So there are certain rules as to which to use where. Let us see that now. We are now going to learn the use of the prepositions. So the prepositions we are using are a, en, au, and aux. So now the first one, a. So we use a in front of the name of cities. For example, Paris, Paris, a Paris, a Rome. So these are the names of cities. So before the name of a city, we use a. Then moving on to the next one, en. This is used before the names, nom de pays, the names of countries or of regions, feminine. So we need to look at the name of the country. So if it is feminine, you write en. So we use en before the names of countries the names of countries or of regions, feminine. So France. France is feminine, so we say en France. Similarly, Italy, it is feminine, so we use en Italy. Next, au. We use that before the names of countries that are masculine, nom masculine. Masculine nouns will come after o. Portugal. Portugal. It is masculine, so we write o. Similarly, Denmark. Denmark, we write o because it is masculine. And finally, aux. It is in the plural form. So the names of countries that are in the plural form will take aux. So the example given here is États-Unis. It is the United States. It is in the plural form, nom pluriel. It is in the plural form. So we write A-U-X, au. So now we have learnt the use of prepositions a, or, and o. So now you will be able to tell where you live. So to know that, I hope you remember the verb habiter. Habiter, to live. So it is an ER verb, and I am sure you remember the conjugation of the ER verb. So if I want to say j'habite, I live, and if you want to say the name of your city, you use a, and you use the name of the city. If you want to say the name of your country, you will use either en or au or aux followed by the name of your country. And how will you decide which of these to add? If your country's name is masculine, you put au, feminine, you write en, and if it is in the plural form, you write aux. So now we have learnt this question, tu habites tu? So you will be able to ask this question, and if asked, you know how to answer this question with the appropriate prepositions.